Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to clone applications on your XIAOMI 15T. The feature to clone apps on your XIAOMI 15T is called Dual Apps, and this allows you to run two separate instances of the same application, which is useful for using two different accounts simultaneously, for example. So first of all, let's go to Settings, and you have to scroll to Apps section, and here you can see option Dual Apps. Let's go here, and here you will see a list of applications that are installed on your phone that are compatible with the Dual Apps feature. So you have to just move the slider next to the application that you want to clone. So let's select TikTok, for example, and you want to tap Turn On button to confirm it. And let's check my home screen. So this is the cloned version of the application that I just created. Now it's on my home screen. And also, what is really important, that the cloned application has small yellow icon in the corner to distinguish it from the original application. If I go to my TikTok, my regular TikTok, I will not see this icon. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.